Here's the exact way to reset your OBS Studio settings to default. So first of all, go to your OBS Studio and click on File and click on Show Settings folder. And you directly jump into your OBS Studio directory. Here you have to select roaming folder, and under roaming folder here we can see the OBS Studio folder. So this folder contains all of our scenes, all of our sources, all of our plugins and everything. Now go to your OBS and exit your OBS completely. Then you can just rename this folder to something else, or you can just completely delete this folder from here. Once you successfully deleted the OBS Studio folder, go ahead and relaunch the OBS Studio. And here, as you can see, my OBS Studio has successfully reset to default settings. Here we can see all scenes and source have been completely removed. That's how we can actually do it.